We're solving an equation, so our default is to try to do order of operations, but in reverse. I'm trying to get this x all by itself. I'm going to look to see if there's anything to add or subtract. There's totally not, but there's something to multiply or divide. So that's my first step. Divide both sides by -3. So I've taken care of this. I've taken care of this. These -3's cancel. -24 divided by -3 makes +8. And I have x to the 3/2 power. So I'm up to the part in order of operations where I should be looking to see if there's exponents to get rid of. Here we have a fractional exponent. And the way to get rid of a fractional exponent is to use the reciprocal exponent. And we also want to keep in mind that in the original problem, if that original numerator is even, I'll have to include a plus or minus. This numerator is 3. So I'm not going to put a plus or minus after I do this step. I will take this to the 2/3, this to the 2/3. These will cancel, leaving just x. And now I need to figure out what 8 to the 2/3 is. If I want to do that mentally, I can figure out what multiplies by itself 3 times to give me 8, and then take that to the second power. If I don't want to do it mentally, I can totally use this calculator. So I'm going to say 8. And on my calculator, I have like the older kind. I have to put parentheses around the 2/3. If yours is clearly putting the 2/3 up in the power, you don't need to worry about it. But many calculators make you do it this way. Either way, we get an answer of 4. And hopefully that makes sense to you, because I'd have to multiply 2 by itself 3 times to get to 8 and square that to get 4. I do want to check my work, though. I want to make sure this is working out, because I can do all of my math correctly and still get answers that are not actually correct. So I'll take this again, and I'll make sure, I want to see if -3 times my suspected answer to the 3 divided by 2. When I press equals, I'm looking to see a -24. I do see -24, so this is good. So just be patient with yourself while you do these. Keep this in mind when you're starting getting lost, and watch out for those tricks. Good luck.